Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Listen, today I am back with a really quick and simple how-to video, how to spruce up those canned greens. Some of you don't like that word, right? Canned greens, because those fresh greens are so good. But listen, you can spruce these canned greens up and they are just as delicious, all right? All you do is you just use whatever kind of meat you want. This is ham hocks that I have here. You can use turkey, you can use chicken, you can use neck bones, you can use whatever you choose to use, and add your seasoning to them. After they're done, you want to add some these are morning glory greens right here, by the way. But as I was saying, you can add bell pepper, onion, salt, black pepper accent. That's what I did here. And then once the ham hocks are done, you just let them simmer a little bit in those seasonings. Don't put too much water in here because they put a lot of water in canned greens. Get as much of that water out of those greens as you can, all right? Because you don't want to drown your greens in water. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my greens to the top of the meat. I'm not going to stir these in right now because these greens are already done and it's very easy to cook them. So you don't want to do that. So you just place them on the top of the meat for right now. And you let these warm up. You're going to place the top on them and let them warm up really, really good. And once they do that, then you can come back and then you can stir them in to get all the flavors in there, because you want that flavor in every bite that you take. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this continue to warm up for a little bit, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you all the finished product of this how to spruce up canned greens. All right, so look how fast and simple and easy that was. We have our finished product right here. I put a lot of meat in these greens. I like a lot of meat in my greens. That's just the way that I am. You may not like so much, but there we have it. Listen, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video on how to spruce up those canned greens. I hope that you all will try this and let me know in the comment section how you enjoyed it. All right. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified. And to those who are already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you a million times. I really appreciate you all. You'll never know how much I really do. All right. So until my next video, I'll see you all later.